who's servicing your loan, I mean, it makes a huge impact on, how quickly can you pay it off.
I close my loan with you, it gets sold. What are the biggest like upheavals for the people who bought the house when that happens?
If your loan gets sold and it's through a correspondent lender, then chances are that it's going to get sold a lot. So what happens is it gets rolled up in to a privatized security, sold on the secondary market. Then those investors take it. Those loans are graded based off of the quality of the loan, and then they service those loans. They make their money off of the servicing. Why is that an issue? Well, you don't know what their servicing department's going to be like. Their servicing department could suck, and there's no level of communication, and you don't even know how to make your payment. You start racking up lates, and you're like, I'm trying to pay you. No one's answering the phone. There is no number for me to call, or no one's answering the emails, whatever it may be. So that's something that people deal with. At the end of every year, they do an escrow analysis. And I've seen this a lot where they're like, they do an incorrect escrow analysis, and they're like, oh, well, your taxes are actually this. Okay. And they're pulling up, the incorrect tax information, and they're like, now you're short on your escrow. And so now you can either pay a lump sum of X amount, which is thousands of dollars, or you could just pay extra $500 a month until you're all caught up.
So that's where the payments going up comes into place.
Correct, yes.
So, and then like, if you're with one of those companies that does that, and that stuff happens to you, there's really nothing you can do about it. You're just stuck at that point?
I have had people come to me and, I've helped them look up tax information, or at least put them in contact with the correct people. And then they look up then we have to get letters, and we have to get, this, that, and the other thing, but they only give you like 30 to 60 days to do it, to refute it. And then we put it back in front of them, and then it's been corrected. Some companies where they do what's called padding, and then they want extra months of escrow payments, and that's just that's their policy. So there's nothing you can do about that. So really, who's servicing your loan? I mean, it makes a huge impact on how quickly can you pay it off. Some people, they don't allow extra payments. Some people won't allow you to pay half on the first, half on the 15th, which stops compounded interest. There's people that have, because they want to juice that loan. They want to service it for as long as possible.